So good afternoon students. Today once again go through this question paper JEE Main 2024 April 4 SLOT-2 question paper. On that one fourth question we are discussing right now. So heat trough rating of 50 watt with having a voltage of 200 volts is connected with a source voltage of 100 volts. Power consumed by the heater is. So for doing this problem, first of all we know about what is meant by power. So power means that work done by time. So what is the meaning of power? The rate of work done is called as power. So generally in electricity we know W is equal to VQ. So we have to substitute this W in place of VQ we have to substitute. So W is equal to VQ by T. So V into Q by T. So what you get guys, we know Q by T stands that current. So V into I. But we know Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, now we changed this formula. So what is Ohm's law here? V is equal to IR. So P is equal to VI now we are getting. So P is equal to VI. In the place of V, what can I substitute? IR. So IR into I. So what we get here? I square R. So this is one of the formula for power when you have a current and resistance. Once again I am substituting P is equal to VI. So in the place of, let's say guys, V is equal to IR. So V is equal to IR. So I want in the place of I. So I is equal to V by R. So I am substituting in the place of I, V by R. V into V by R is equal to V square by R. So now we have three formulas here. So first formula is P is equal to VI, second formula is equal to I square R, third formula is equal to V square by R. So according to this logic, identify which formula suit for this context. So we have a power, we have a voltage. So finally we want to calculate resistance. So for that I am using the formula. So I am using the formula of P is equal to V square by R. So P is equal to R, V square by R. From this, R is equal to V square by P. So P is equal to V square by R is equal to V square by P. Here what is the V value? From this, V value is 200 volts. So I am substituting 200 into 200 by, what is the P value? P value is 50 watt. So 51, so 15, 4, so what we get? Resistance value is that 800 ohms we get. So the resistance value is 800 ohms. Now actually a heater of how much voltage is having a voltage source? 100 volts. For that we want to calculate power. So power P is equal to, so we have a voltage here and resistance we know. By this we have to get, by using the same formula, P is equal to V square by I. So what is the V value? We have to substitute. What is the V value? Voltage of heater 100 volts. So 100 into 100 by, what is the R value? So R value is how much? Just now we have to calculate that value, 800 ohms. So 100 180. So what we get? 12.5 watt. So 12.5 watt is the value you are getting. Let's check in the question. So 100 volts, 20 volts and 50 volts, 12.5. So option is what here? Fourth option is the correct answer.